Hey everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the referencing software Zotero. So in this series of various bioinformatic tools, this tool is also very important for referencing purposes. So first of all, open Zotero.org and download the software along with its Chrome and Word extension. After downloading, log into the account, add extension both to the Google Chrome and in the MS Word. Now open your reference article such that I will first select here PubMed and then search any article like my research work is on hexokinase activity in multi-drug resistance bacteria. I searched this article and I found one and two articles as my important reference papers. So what I have to do is, if I want to take a citation from this research paper, then just I have to just click on this icon that is saved to Zotero, has access to this site. Now I have opened this paper in my new tab. So now I have to extract some data from this paper along with some data from this paper and so on. So what I have to do, just open this paper in new tab and click on this Zotero icon that you have added extension of Zotero. Just click here and it will show you a P53 promote chemo responsiveness, that same article you have already saved. Now click on this. So I have already added both of them in my Zotero library. So now open MS Word. So now open MS Word to which you have extracted data from first paper and cut and paste some data like I have to put this data in my MS Word. When you finish data from your first paper, just remember its title or author name. Like its title is P53 promotes chemo responsiveness. So that I will just search hexokinase. Now click on the Zotero option available on the uppermost side so that you can see here Zotero option. Now click on the citations, search your author or titles, just you have to click OK and then click hexokinase and you will see your paper P53 promotes chemo responsiveness by regulate hexokinase 2. Just click on here and enter. You can see your first citation is targeted. Now you have to search that I have to extract some data from second paper also, so that I can easily add both of the citations in the same paper. So I'm going to paste this same data here, paste, and now just read out the what's that title, bromopyruvate. Now add citation and search bromopyruvate. Click on this and then enter. Now be careful. If you add one citation multiple times, it will repeat the previous number of citation only, such that if you have copied this data here and then copy and then if you want to paste it here and you want to add another citation here, then you will see the same previous citation will repeat again and again. You can see here it's citation number 1, citation number 2. These are same 1 and 1 because these are extracted from the same paper, and the another one is extracted from another paper. So now what you have to do is just write down references and now click on the add bibliography, and you can see all your references will be noted down in a all will be aligned in a manner. If you like this video, please like, comment and share.